Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, patron, partners along with Bob Iacchino. So finally, getting a close above the rotation zone, helps out the bullish case. Watch for key support now coming in about 3,600. That's where we're getting, it looks like we could get the first cross the rotation zone. If we drop back below, especially, I'm going to say about 35.50 on a closing basis, then this would be a failed a test of the rotation zone. You see it returned. It couldn't get a close above the 12.5% retracement. 36.94, actually pretty much closing dead on it. Spiking up a couple times at 50. That's why we pay attention to the 50, and I'll show you again on the daily why we do that too. We can project levels up now. We can come to this point. So on a move now above the 50 again, and if you get a close or any push above 3,800, you can watch for 38.65 and 39.30. Already gave the key support levels down below. Let's switch over to the daily chart. Daily chart, look where we slammed into, right in here. Spike up, test the 8, drop back down, spike up, test the 8. So the key level on a closing basis on the daily is about 37.32, so we're going to be watching for a close above that. Then you see the next levels on a rally through those levels. I'd watch for a return to about 4,100, 4,111, and with possible spikes up to about 42.16. So this is the next key target area based on the daily chart if we continue to rally to go into the rotation zone further. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum also holding against the rotation zone, rotating back down, spiking up to it, and then closing through it, testing the 12.5% and the 50 EMA now coming back. Don't know if we'll get the cross here. It already broke down below this little support area. Now we're watching for first level support about 95.40. If we drop through there, next level of support down around 92.36. Close through there, I'd watch then for 89.37. Those are the key support levels. Let's see if this can get back up like Bitcoin through the $100 mark on a closing basis. Be nice if it did for the bullish case, because then you get the first cross the rotation zone. Also, I'm going to clean up this chart and take off this longer term level because it's essentially been nearly hit. We have the shorter term levels now, which are more important. So on the next rally, if we do get above that 50, 104.93, so essentially 105 level, then 107.37. But let's check this in on the daily chart to verify all our levels and see again. Look at this. Let me move this up. There's that 8 EMA, bottom of the rotation zone, found resistance and dropping back down. This has been behaving a lot weaker than Bitcoin. Just keep that in mind, and any other cryptocurrencies you follow or coins you follow, just judge them. You can pretty much do the same analysis. So there's that 107. That 107 is also where this prior support becoming resistance level is. So if you've been buying anything, we did not have a strong reversal pattern. If you've been buying anything, that's going to be great areas to either take partial profits or move up your stops. If you get through there, next key area 118.50, declining 21 coming in at 120.60, but that's going to keep dropping, so I'd really focus on this area because there's some prior resistance just above that. So if we do manage to get a close above the 8, then watch for the potential rally, but keep in mind that rotation zone is going to keep dropping, and it's more important how much it keeps dropping so it's not static. So if it rallies up there 4 days from now, that EMA is going to be a lot lower. Then we'll adjust our targets for the bullish case. Same target still for the bearish case. If we don't hold any of the key levels I mentioned on the 4-hour chart, we'll be watching for a return to 83. Then we have 77.39 and 71.78. So we have for you on your Ethereum and Bitcoin update, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.